From this video, you will get tips to prepare for Salesforce OmniStudio Consultant Certification Exam in 2025. About the credential. Salesforce OmniStudio Consultant Certification Exam details. Salesforce OmniStudio Consultant Exam objectives. Preparation strategies. 1. You want to display chatter feeds, users, groups, and followers, especially in mobile applications. Also, you want to provide programmatic access to files, recommendations, topics, notifications, and data.com purchasing. Which of the following options should you use to do this? A. Streaming API. B. REST API. C. Tooling API. D. Chatter REST API. E. Chatter SOAP API. Answer: D. 2. You want to update 500 leads through a data loader. In the CSV file, you have 3 columns: ID, email, and phone. Also, there are some blank values in the rows. Some records do not have email, and some do not have a phone. You do not want null values in the records when updating the values. Which of the following options should you use to do this? A. Open data loader, greater than setting, greater than uncheck the insert null values checkbox. B. Null values cannot be ignored. If they are present in CSV, they get updated as null. C. Open data loader, greater than setting, greater than check the ignore null values checkbox. D. Modify the CSV file and remove the records which have null values, and update them manually. E. Null values do not get updated through data loader. Answer: A. 3. A consultant is tasked with migrating calculation matrices and procedures as decision matrices and expression sets respectively. What is a key consideration when migrating calculation matrices and procedures? A. Procedures can be migrated without considerations. B. Matrices can be migrated with minimal considerations. C. Matrices can be migrated without considerations. D. Looping procedures cannot be migrated as expression sets. Answer: D. 4. Which OmniScript element enables users to choose from a drop-down list? A. Select. B. Calculation action. C. Lookup. D. Data mapper extract action. Answer: A. 5. A consultant is designing a flex card for a client. The client wants to customize the look of each element on the flex card. What tool should the consultant use to meet the client's requirements? A. Use Data Raptor to customize the look of each element. B. Use integration procedures to customize the look of each element. C. Use the Style panel in the Flex Card Designer to customize the look of each element. D. Use OmniScripts to customize the look of each element. Answer: C. 6. A consultant is designing a FlexCard for a client. The client wants to customize the look of each element on the FlexCard. What tool should the consultant use to meet the client's requirements? A. Use Data Mapper to customize the look of each element. B. Use integration procedures to customize the look of each element. C. Use the Style panel in the FlexCard Designer to customize the look of each element. D. Use OmniScripts to customize the look of each element. Answer: C. 7. A Salesforce OmniStudio consultant is tasked with creating an OmniScript for a client's customer service process. The consultant wants to integrate Salesforce knowledge into the OmniScript. What is one way the consultant can configure an OmniScript to search for Salesforce knowledge articles? A. Using a simple search. B. Using a complex search algorithm. C. Based on dynamic inputs from OmniScript fields. D. Based on static values set up during configuration. Answer: C. 8. Which OmniStudio tool creates a chatter post and sends to a chatter feed? A. Data Raptor Load. B. Integration Procedure. C. Calculation Procedure. D. FlexCards. Answer: B. 9. A Salesforce OmniStudio consultant is validating an OmniScript they have developed for a client. The client has specific business requirements that the script must meet. What is the best way for the consultant to ensure that the OmniScript meets the client's business requirements? A. Implement the OmniScript without comparing it with the client's business requirements. B. Assume that the OmniScript meets the client's business requirements without conducting a review. C. Conduct a thorough review of the OmniScript, comparing each step with the client's business requirements. D. Ask the client to review the OmniScript with their internal team. Answer: C. 10. A Salesforce OmniStudio consultant is tasked with integrating Salesforce knowledge into an OmniScript to allow users to search and view Salesforce knowledge articles. What must be enabled in the organization for the consultant to activate knowledge in an OmniScript? A. Salesforce knowledge. B. OmniScript Designer. C. Salesforce Classic. D. Salesforce Lightning. Answer: A. Subscribe and like past question.